I don't know what to do. When we first started getting together, he couldn't get enough of me. We did it like 3 times a day. Now we just sit at home and watch movies, like some old married couple.
Does he know that you want to have sex?
I mean, I've tried dropping hints. The other day, I went to bed completely naked. That's pretty obvious.
Yeah, but you know guys, they can be so clueless sometimes.
So what do you think I should do? Should I try talking to him, or should I just jump him?